a ridge of high pressure will push across the country from the west during tomorrow, grinding that front to a halt as a fairly weak feature then over the Scottish and Irish borders. That's the way it looks on Friday, moving northwards again over Scotland. Still those warm southerly winds over Britain. But that weather front giving quite a bit of rain just at the moment over Scotland and Northern Ireland. Some fairly heavy bursts of rain in parts of the west, but becoming dry in the northwestern half of Scotland by the end of the night. A cold night up there, a mild night in the south, but much more importantly, a lot of fog forming over England and Wales. It's already forming in the south and will become quite dense in places by the end of the night. Cold in the north, mild in the south. That's a close-up look at the weather front tomorrow, pivoting over Scotland and Northern Ireland, but a fairly weak feature, lots of high pressure about. A very grey start though over England and Wales. Look out for those rather thicker patches of fog. A little bit of rain over Northern Ireland and southern Scotland for a time. Bright over northern Scotland, still windy in the far north to a little bit of drizzle in the far southwest as well. Now during the course of the morning becoming drier in many parts of Northern Ireland and southern Scotland. Some spots of rain probably still around the borders though, and still some drizzle in the southwest. The fog over England and Wales thinning out very slowly during the course of the morning to give some hazy sunshine in the afternoon. Rain moving northwards again over Northern Ireland during the afternoon and the evening. Very light winds during the course of tomorrow, except in the far north of Scotland. Those are the average winds in the afternoon, and those are the temperatures in the afternoon too. 13 over northern Scotland, that's 55 Fahrenheit. 14 in Northern Ireland, 57 Fahrenheit, but as high as 20 to 23 Celsius over inland parts of England and Wales. 23 Celsius is a very pleasant 73 Fahrenheit after a grey start, mind you. Look out for that fog in the morning. Then the rain moving northwards again over Northern Ireland and southern Scotland during the course of Friday morning into northern Scotland by the afternoon. The fog in the south clearing to give some hazy sunshine there too, and again becoming quite warm for a time. Now more rain getting into the west.